it's Mills here, and today I'm going to be introducing the one, the only, our newest eyeshadow palette, the UBU Florence by Mills Eyeshadow Palette. Let us open. So, UBU, also look at this iridescent. Your true self is your happiest self. We're opening. Voila. Open, here we go. Take a look at these colors. You are heard, you are valued, loved, worthy, smart, artistic, courageous, creative, and beautiful. And each of them, I feel like, just represent what I aspire to be, what I feel like I am. This is everything. This has a deeper meaning than just an eyeshadow palette. This is something that we've been mastering for a really long time. These pigments, these formulas, I mean, I have gone back and forth on what I want, and finally it's here, and I'm so ready to show you guys the look I'm gonna be doing today. Let us begin. Okay, so I am really trying to go for a natural look just because I have a base on already. I've already have my foundation on, a little blush, and some mascara, and my eyebrows are done. So I feel like going for more of a natural look. It's the morning time, starting my day, and I think I'm gonna start with Smart, which is our bright white. This pigment is insane. Like, what you see is what you get. The color payoff is everything. And I'm gonna start with this as my base. So I'm gonna go in with just a flat brush. You may or may not see it's a Florence by Mills brush. And so we're gonna go in, and I'm going to just tap on my eye. Okay. And what I love about these formulas is that they're creamy. They're not too powdery where they're gonna fall off and fall into your concealer below. They're not something that is too harsh, that's, you know, like I said, too powdery. They're creamy, they stay on, they last, which I think is so important, especially with like the summer coming up. Having, you know, that creamy formula in your eyeshadow is so important. And then plus with that, you have this color payoff that is just feels so rewarding, especially going into this. You know, obviously scared. Eyeshadow palettes are really hard to create, and having this be my third palette with Florence by Mills, it's everything. So I just want to take a moment to appreciate this, just alone, without, you know, my second shade that I'm gonna use. Like this white, the way it's just, what you see is what you get. This white, this bright white as my base is everything. And plus, like, it's so easy to apply, it's so blendable, which I think is so key, especially in eyeshadows. You either put it on and you don't see the color, or you put it on and like, it kind of ruins everything. So this is perfect. And now I'm gonna go in with more of like a blending brush. And I'm gonna use the shade Beautiful, which is our brown kind of neutral marble shade. And I'm just gonna go in and use this in the crease of my eye. What I love about this shade is that it's brown, and so all the other colors are very powerful and very bright and strong. And then you have the brown, which kind of just helps neutralize all looks, I feel like. And that's why I started off eyeshadow palettes with the Love Live palette, because it's just so neutral, and I've always been very much into that. But then recently during quarantine, I started tie-dyeing my clothes. And then I was like, maybe I should just tie-dye my face. So I'm like, let's do a tie-dye eye look. And it's just like so fun, so cool. And so I'm just going in and blending a little bit just to give it more of a natural nude look. Going into the crease and just really adding that in there. Also, what I love about the brown, the Beautiful shade, is that it's so iridescent. So in this light right now, like every time you move, you see it shine, you see it sparkle. Okay, so now I feel like I've completed the first look. Now I've got to do the hardest part and match it with my second eye. So I'm gonna go in back with the flat brush with the color Smart. And I'm just gonna go in with this bright white and create my base. Okay, so now I've applied my base color. Now I'm gonna go in with the crease brush, I think it's called. I keep calling it like a blending brush. I think it may be a crease brush for your crease of your eye. So I'm gonna go in again with the color Beautiful, and I'm gonna go into the crease and just create that shade. And like I said before, this is just lasting. Like, this is what you want to begin a day, and then at the end it's still there, which is great. I think that's because we went so, we were so serious about the creamy texture and the formula of these eyeshadows to make them blendable, but still a shadow. Okay guys, so this is my UBU look. I am so grateful that now you guys get to see it firsthand and you guys get to show me your looks, show me what your favorite shades are. I love you guys so much, and make sure to shop the UBU palette.